Good job, Jonathan. Louder.
If you want, you can stand up. If you want anything at all.
Shh. Louder.
And finally, we'd like to close our with one final presentation from our very own Zach Snyder.
A few last things to do on your way out today, and we dismiss you. We're going to be back by March 21st, and if you turn in that day, you get a free t-shirt.
Alright, now to show you just how widespread cancer is, even in just our school. If you have a parent who's been affected by cancer, please come down to the gym floor.
If you have a brother or sister that's been affected by cancer, please come down to the gym floor.
If you have a grandparent who's been affected by cancer, please come down to the gym floor.
If anyone else in your life has been affected by cancer, please come down to the gym floor.
Breathe into the center of your body. Breathe together. Alright, now look around you. There are so many people, and we hope to see all of you here again on the gym floor on April 5th at our miniTHON, supporting all of us. And here's Nick.
One last thing before we leave. I'd like to have a moment of silence for everyone that's lost their life due to cancer.